Good morning, everyone. I am Jerson Mendoza, and I'm going to describe the various hazards that may happen in the event of volcanic eruption. What is geological process? Geological processes are events that occur at the Earth's surface that are man-induced or due to the application of natural forces like gravity, temperature changes, chemical reactions, seismic shaking, among others. Geological hazard or geohazard, when we say hazard, it could be a dangerous phenomenon, substances, human activity, or condition that may cause loss of life, injury, or other health impacts, property damage, loss or livelihood and services, social and economic disruption, or environmental damage. Can you name the most common geological process that bring about several geohazards? Yes, volcanic eruption. Let's discuss the volcanic eruption. A volcano is a vent, hill, or mountain from which molten or hard rocks with gaseous materials have been ejected. Also craters, depressions, hills, or mountains formed by removal of pre-existing material or by accumulation of ejected materials. When a volcano erupts, one of these will happen or take place. Lava flow, ash fall, or tephra fall, and ballistic projectiles. Pyroclastic density currents, lahar, and volcanic gases. Lava flow are rivers of incandescent molten rock or lava moving downslope or away from an eruption vent. Lava flows are composed of low silica magma, have low viscosities, and tend to flow at high speeds kilometers per hour, while those composed of high silica magma have high viscosities and tend to move slowly kilometers per day. Ash are fragmented volcanic particles less than 2 mm in diameter, while tephra are fragmented volcanic particles. An ash fall can be rained out from the ash clouds of pyroclastic density currents. Ballistic projectiles that fell near the vent are large particle tephra or volcanic bombs that are too heavy to transport in eruption columns and are ejected straight out of the volcanic vent. Tephra or ash are filled through the atmosphere in an eruption plume or an eruption column and eventually fall or gradually settle over areas downwind of an erupting volcano, forming blankets of tephra fall or ash fall and causing the structural damages, roof collapse, contamination of water sources, and burial. Pyroclastic density currents, or PDC, are mixtures of fermented volcanic particles, the hot gases and ash that rush down from the volcanic slopes in high speeds.
Lethal of all volcanic hazards and can cause incineration, asphyxiation, abrasion, dynamic pressure impact, and burial in hot volcanic material.
Lahar. Lahar is an Indonesian name, sometimes called volcanic mud flows or debris flows. Are slurs of a volcanic sediment, debris, and water that cascade down a volcano's slopes through rivers and channels. A volcanic gases are formed mainly of water, carbon dioxide, and sulfur dioxide. During violent eruptions, these gases are injected into the stratosphere. There, the sulfur dioxide reacts with water to form microscopic droplets or aerosols of sulfuric acid. This is some safety tips when the volcano is going to erupt. If a lahar or pyroclastic flow or lava flow is headed toward you, leave the area immediately. If you are warned to evacuate because an eruption is imminent, evacuate. If you can drive rather than walk, use your vehicle to evacuate. When driving, keep doors and windows closed. Drive across the path of danger if you can, or away from that danger if you cannot, and watch for unusual hazards in the road. If you are indoors, close all windows, doors, and fireplace or wood stove dampers. Turn off all fans and heating and air conditioning systems. Bring pets and livestock into closed shelters. If you are in outdoors, seek shelter indoors. If you camped in a rock fall, roll into a ball to protect your head. If you're near a stream or river, be aware of rising water and possible mud flows in low-lying areas. Move upslope as quickly as possible. Seek care for burns right away. Immediately, care can be life-saving. If your eyes, nose, and throat become irritated from volcanic gases and fumes, move away from the area immediately. Your symptoms should go away when you are longer in contact with the gases or fumes. If the symptoms continue, consult your doctor. Protect yourself during ash falls. Stay inside, if possible, with windows and doors closed. Wear long-sleeved shirts and long pants. Use goggles to protect your eyes. If ash is continually falling, you may not be able to shelter indoors for more than a few hours because the weight of the ash could collapse the roof of your building and block air intakes into the building. Listen to area authorities for advice or leaving the area when ashfall lasts more than a few hours. Keep your car or truck engine switched off. Avoid driving in heavy ashfall. Driving will stir up ash that can clog engines and stale vehicles. If you do have to drive, keep the car windows up and do not operate the air conditioning system. Operating the air conditioning system will bring in outside or in the ash.